How to download Metamask. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download this application. First of all, open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, search for Metamask. So, simply tap on it. It will pop up in the first. Simply tap on it again. So, make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name. Now here on the bottom you can see this install button. Tap on install. Now it will take some time. What is Metamask? Metamask is a crypto wallet. Here you can trade cryptos and earn money. So different currencies are used in this application. So as you can see, the app has been installed and it's ready. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.